Hey there, if you are a DIY enthusiast or a maker, then you should be familiar with different screws and screwdrivers. I was using this screwdriver for my projects. Recently, I bought this electric screwdriver from TVCMALL. So the electric screwdriver comes in this beautiful long rectangular box. After opening the box, we can see the product. First we got the screwdriver, then the magnetizer tool, then a small cardboard box. Inside the box we got an opener tool and a USB A to Type-C cable. Finally we got 24 screw bits. Every bit is labeled perfectly and placed neatly. These bits are steel alloy based, so they will not corrode easily. So this is the screwdriver. The round body of the screwdriver is made with some sort of metal. It has 3 switches. The first one is for tightening the screw. Second one is for loosening the screw. The third button is for turning on and off the LED light. At the bottom, you can see a charging LED indicator and a USB Type-C socket for charging. The screwdriver has magnetic power on the tips. That is very good. Now let's test the working of the screwdriver. As you can see, the screwdriver works flawlessly. The battery lasts for 1 hour in continuous use and 30 days of standby time. That's enough for a screwdriver. So in a nutshell, this cheap electric screwdriver is a great option for DIY minded persons. Its simplicity and rechargeable battery option makes this screwdriver extra cool. You can find the product link from my video description. So that's all about today. Hope you enjoyed my video. If so, please consider supporting me by liking, sharing and subscribing. That's all up to you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.